Welcome back to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at HBAR coin. Now, since last time we checked, I think we were somewhere in this region. It was like the middle of the June or July, somewhere in this region. But basically we had pretty strong upside movement. The RSI went in the overbought zones, the crossover from second moving average and the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. And as you can see, we had pretty decent movement to the upper zones. Now we had another crossover of the second moving average and the middle line of Bollinger Bands. We had a smaller correction moment, and now we are yet again retesting those zones. Now, ideally what we would expect or what we would want to see on the market right now, give me the brush. So let's draw this one, for example, like this, and this one. Can I change it? I won't. So this will be the white one, this will be this. So what we are going to look for is yet another crossover similar to this one. Yeah, we might see an early push, so let's say a breakout from this area would be the first confirmation. Overall, looking for the bullish outcome if you didn't understand yet. So first things first, we have to see the breakout of this region, then a bullish sentiment to take over, then a crossover of second moving average and the second moving average and the middle line of Bollinger Bands, and then we would enter into a long position. Now overall, the target is this zone, which is like $0.40, and going to take along this one, going to set it here approximately, and stop loss somewhere in this region. So risk reward ratio in this case is pretty good, but once again, this is just an estimate entry for us for the long position. Once again, we need to see the proper breakout structure. We need to see the crossover of the second moving average and the middle line of Bollinger Bands, and yet then we will be able to see that upside movement. Now, what's interesting, or what is confirming also our upcoming bullish movement, is that when we had this kind of move here, we went into the overbought zones here. Now, if we would extend, we are still trading inside these overbought zones as the market price, but yet RSI has stabilized itself. So we still keep this bullish momentum going, and yet RSI is stable, indicators have resetted, price went back closer to the EMAs, retested, bounced off, so the first confirmation. Now what we are looking for is another breakout structure, crossover, and this will be the golden entry for a long position on the HBAR coin for us. So before finishing overall, just looking here, you can see we had pretty choppy movement for the HBAR coin, so this would remain our major target as of now. We won't go for bigger movements here because we are not sure how high we might see the price to even go, and just based on the previous times we had the market moves, there might be very sharp movements like this ones. Like, why would we risk it? So the local high is current target, risk and reward ratio is basically, let's call it 1 to 2.5, and that's it. So pretty bullish. All we need is just few more confirmations. So that's it for today. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you liked this one, feel free to like and leave a comment, and I will see you on the next video.